Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to talk about the default graphic settings in the PUBG mobile in the OnePlus 12R device. The OnePlus 12R which has got the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor in this device, and we'll try to see whether we can play at 90 FPS or not in this OnePlus 12R. And I'm going to show you the quick FPS drop test as well. So I'll try to use a real-time floating FPS meter, and we'll try to see regarding the how is the overall FPS maintaining while doing the drop test. And now let's go to the settings and let me show you exactly what kind of graphics the phone at this moment has got. So the default graphics in this OnePlus 12R is about smooth and 90 FPS, balanced and extreme settings. HD and extreme, HDR and extreme you can play, and Ultra HD and Ultra also you can play at this moment. And extreme HDR is not available at this moment, but overall you can play at 90 FPS without any kind of issues. And right now let me to quickly start the match and let me to show you the real-time FPS statistics, so whether we are getting exact 90 FPS or not. And right now you can see we are getting 90 FPS in this OnePlus 12R without any kind of problem, as you can see guys clearly. So with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor in this OnePlus 12R, you will be able to play at 90 FPS, so without any doubt. So now let's do the quick drop test and we'll try to see overall how is FPS maintaining in terms of the drop test as well. So let me to enable the 4D vibration, haptic vibrations. Let me try to go back to the haptic vibrations, and you can see the match starting in about 36 seconds as well, so it's showing the exact time. So I'm looking for the 4D haptic vibration. So right now I did enable the 4D haptic vibration, but let's see. I think supported games were not displaying any kind of PUBG mobile game here anyway, so I don't think it's kind of supported at this moment. So no haptic feedback present, unfortunately. So they could have easily included the PUBG game in this OnePlus 12R, but they didn't include that. So let me to use a real-time FPS. So we'll try to do the quick drop test and we'll try to see so how is FPS maintaining at this moment in this OnePlus 12R. So in case if you want any other review about other devices, let me know in the comments. I'll definitely upload regarding the other games as well. So in the future I'll concentrate on the Call of Duty, Genshin Impact, some other games. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. So right now let's do the quick drop test. So is a quick drop test in this OnePlus 12R, so with a 90 FPS enabled, and right now we're getting about 85. So this is a OnePlus 12R device guys, which I'm trying to use at this moment. So by default we do a 90 FPS, so the lowest I've seen about 80 FPS is the lowest value I've seen so far in this device. 82, we are getting 82 value, so 82 FPS we did get the lowest. So it's maintaining about 80 FPS, 88 right now. So this is a quick overall PUBG default graphic settings review in this OnePlus 12R device. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. I'll stay for more updates and bye.